Now we are going to answer the questions in the positive. Répondez, oui or professeur. So the professor or the teacher is asking questions and we are going to answer yes, oui. So the first question, vous avez fait l'exercice? Have you done the exercise? So we are going to answer yes, oui. Vous becomes je. Je. So avez, it is avoir. Avez becomes a, I. Now if you notice the vowel clash, so j'ai. Oui, j'ai fait l'exercice. So very simple. You just have to answer the question. You only have to change the conjugation accordingly. The next sentence, vous avez compris la grammaire? Again, oui, yes, j'ai, again it is avoir. J'ai compris la grammaire. So all we are doing is changing the subject and the conjugation of the auxiliary verb. The rest is as it is. Now the last sentence, vous avez appris le vocabulaire? So we are answering it in the positive again. Oui, vous becomes je, and again it is avoir, so j'ai appris le vocabulaire. Now you can answer this question in the plural as well. So if you write nous, oui, nous, and the avoir conjugation for nous is avons. Oui, nous avons fait l'exercice. So you can answer either in the first person singular or first person plural. Oui, j'ai fait l'exercice, or oui, nous avons fait l'exercice. The second one, vous avez compris la grammaire? Oui, j'ai compris la grammaire. Vous avez appris le vocabulaire? Oui, j'ai appris le vocabulaire. So now you know how to write the passé composé. You also know how to answer the questions asked in passé composé. So you know to answer it in the positive as well as in the negative form.